In this video, I'm going to show you how to get a long hair effect on TikTok. Now, first, all you have to do is just to make sure that you have CapCut or Face app or whatever app that is downloaded on your phone. So all you have to do is just to choose a specific photo where you are having the short hair, and then just tap on the hairstyles here, and then tap on the long or the length one. That's a before and after. And then let's go to CapCut and use this template that we will find in TikTok. Now just add your first picture which you have a short hair, and the second picture which you have a long hair. And then once you're done editing the both pictures that you have, then let's export it by tapping on the export on the upper right corner of your phone. And then once it's done exporting, it's ready to share to your TikTok or any platforms that you have. Or if you wish to add a music, you can just go back and then click add audio and just save or export it again. Now you may watch again your video to make sure that everything went well. And that's the process of doing this trend on TikTok. If you find this helpful, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe.